to Crimp Chimp Champions. The way this one works is we have a wheel and it has all the colours on it. If you're on the wall and we call out a colour, you can't touch that colour anymore at all. Eventually we're going to come down to one colour and you want to be on that colour or you...
Alright, so get set. Let me know when you're all ready to go.
5 seconds to move, by the way.
Alright, Zane, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Rob, you ready? Alright, spin. Alright, black. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no!
One's on black.
Alright, spinning the wheel again.
You've got to think on your head.
Oh, orange. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stuff, good stuff.
Last two.
So if you get purple, oh, yellow.
It's yellow. So what do we do?
We do now. We've never got to the end.
Purple.
Raphael.
I was lucky that.
Who do we have? Who do we have up?
We've got Cooper on the right side and Bo on the left.
Spin the wheel.
Cooper?
Yep.
Alright, spinning the wheel. What are we gonna get? Guess in the comments, guys.
You were wrong.
You were wrong. Purple. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spinning again. Let's go.
No one lost. Boo. That's tough, man. Black.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spinning it again.
I want bonus.
I think you're right.
Yellow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're both hedging on orange again. What colours are left?
Let's just say it's not orange.
Orange is gone.
5,
What colour?
4, orange. Gosh.
What's left?
That's on you. Cooper died. You should remember that.
Are you ready?
Get in position.
Are you ready?
I'm going to start on this one.
Wheel time.
Don't.
We're ready. Don't be orange first.
You both
They're
ready?
spinning.
Alright, spinning. Let's go.
Just make it up every time. I'll be able to keep track. Just say orange.
Orange.
Hey, it's orange.
Hey.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Alright.
I don't know if it was orange, but
Didn't sound like it was orange.
Oh wow, look. Oh, it is. Never mind. Hey, that's kind of convenient.
It's kind of convenient.
Next one is purple.
purple.
5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
It didn't end up being purple, it was orange, but that's okay. Spinning again.
Little bit.
Help it.
Oh wow, it's helpers.
4, 3,
2, 1.
Uh-oh.
I'm cooked.
I'm very cooked too. Spin that wheel.
We haven't called out black.
Let's go to 80. Black. 5, 4,
Come on, black.
3, 2, 1. That's like our last color, I think.
Oh.
Do you have,
Good game.
3 words for your opponent?
The game was rigged.
Get
It was rigged. I know it wasn't.
Get good.
Get
You heard
good.
it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please put a like in the comment section and comment the like.
Okay. Okay. Man, really just kissed you guys.